Hi everyone! Good morning! Alis ako ngayon. I'm actually preparing. So, it's 15th of the month. So, it's payday. Well, I usually go out if it's payday. Kasi home base nga ako. So, I treat myself out. And, hindi kasi ako lumalabas kung hindi kailangan. So, kung may invitations lang ng friends, dyan lang yung time na lumalabas ako. Or if I have something to buy, dyan lang ako lumalabas. So, ngayon, I'm actually planning to buy a gift for my friend's wedding, which will be next week. And I'm planning to buy yung NYX na soft matte lippies. Tapos, I'm looking for a color which is, it will match my dress. Kasi peach yung motif ng wedding ng friend ko. Tapos, I'll just check once I'm there kung anong magandang color or that matches the dress. And, after that, pupunta ako ng Sansan Cosmetics sa isang mall dito kasi last time, the previous month, bumili ako ng Sansan product sa kanila tapos they gave me a free facial service since I reached 300 pesos for my purchase. So, nagpa-schedule ako and actually yung free service ko is valid just until today. So, hindi ako lumabas ng like the previous week. So, inisa ko na lang kung ano yung pupuntahan ko. Tapos, after that, wala. Mag-check lang ako ng cosmetics. Yan naman yung gusto ng mga girls, diba? Check lang ng mga bagong makeup or bagong something. Oh, may pimples ako. Ang sakit. So, I'm still preparing. Pag lumalabas ako, BB cream lang yung ginagamit ko. I don't really use foundation. So, I will only use foundation once I will attend some kind of occasions. So, BB cream lang talaga ako. And I'm using the Etude House BB cream. This is actually the shade W13. This is Bright Fit. I actually have a new one. This one, meron akong bago. This is Blooming Fit. So, this is my first time to try this one. And, mabango siya. Actually, mabango siya. And, pangalawa or pangatlong BB cream ko na to. And, I always buy the Bright Fit. And then, recently, they are always out of stock. They're always out of stock with this one, Bright Fit, and other BB creams actually. And then that one, nabili ko siya sa isang Korean store, sa isang mall din. Buti na lang nakabili ako ng BB cream kasi sa SM na Etude House wala talaga, tsaka sa Ayala, sa Briza wala din. So, mas cheaper pa nga yun. Kaso lang, nakalimutan ko pala, if you will buy sa Etude House, like 500 and above, they will give you the membership card or some kind of card sa Etude. And then, you can get points every time you buy from them. Nakalimutan ko. So, bumili ako sa Korean store. Ibang Korean store. So, wala akong card. But it's okay. I'll just buy other products na lang next time that will reach like around 500 pesos so that every time I purchase something from them, then I can get some points. And I always buy from them yung face mask nila. Ganda ng Korean face mask. And I've been using that for more than a year. It's really effective, especially yung brightening mask nila. Maganda. Nakakaputi. And I always use the Etude products. And then this one, I have the Pearl Aura Brightening Essence Lotion. This is my second bottle. Maganda siya. Meron siyang parang glitter. It's not really visible like once you put it in your face, hindi naman siya obvious. Pero, yeah, pag i-dispense mo siya or ilalagay mo siya sa skin mo, meron siyang parang maliliit na glitters. Pero hindi naman siya yung glittery yung face mo. Yung normal lang. So, once you are, parang siyang pearl, pag naiinitan, nagbe-brighten yung skin mo. So, yeah, I'm still getting ready. So tapos na ako mag-ready. And, aalis na ako ngayon. But I'm actually choosing which shoes or, sandals I'm going to wear. Gusto kong gamitin yung luma kong sandals. Yung Parisian ko na wedge. Once ko pa kasi siyang nasuot. Tapos, I'm afraid baka masira siya. Like, I haven't used this one for how many years. And once ko lang siyang nasuot. Kasi nangyari na din to sa akin last time. I attended a wedding. And then, yung shoes ko na hindi ko siya masyadong nasuot. Tapos sinuot ko nang nag-attend ako ng wedding. Tapos ang nangyari is, nasira siya. So, it's kind of awkward when I was there already at the church. Tapos, sira yung sapatos ko. Buti na lang yung classmate ko na nag-bridesmaid is meron siyang extra na sandals. So, yung sandals niya, pinagamit niya sa akin. Tapos, it did not happen once, but it's actually twice. Yung second wedding na inatenan ko, ginamit ko rin yung ibang sapatos ko. Tapos, ang nangyari is, nasa church din kami, nasira din siya. So, but there's always luck in every unfortunate situation. Yung friend ko, yung office niya malapit lang sa church, and sabi niya may extra sandals din siya. So, we dropped by sa office niya, tapos, yung sandals na sinuot ko. So, kaya ngayon, I want to use this one, but maybe I'll just bring extra slippers or something like alternate if ever. I'm not really used to wearing this kind of sandals kasi like high heel siya or wedge siya. I just use the, I always use yung slippers lang or like flat sandals. But I want to try this one para naman magamit. Siya. I guess di ko siya masyadong sinusuot kasi hindi talaga ito yung bet ko na color. Hindi talaga ito yung bet ko na design. Pero maganda pa rin naman. Susuotin ko siya ngayon. Sa Parisian to. Maganda din naman yung mga ng Parisian. Yung design nila. Yung quality nila. Tapos the way ako maglalakad, it's like parang ito lang. Hi everyone, I'm back. Well, I've been to 3 shopping malls dito sa Davao. So at first I went to Abriza Ayala Mall kasi I'm looking for the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and then I'm looking for the Stockholm Lippies, yung shade na Stockholm. However, it's actually out of stock. So, instead, I bought another shade. And then after that, I went to Gaisano Mall of Davao kasi nga meron akong schedule for the facial, free facial. And then after that, I went to SM Lanang Premier, yung malapit lang dito sa bahay namin. And then, I was not able to vlog actually. I was supposed to vlog and then suddenly my camera is out of battery. So, kaya ngayon na ako nakapag-vlog ulit kasi nag-charge pa ako ng battery. And then, another thing is, earlier, 'di ba, naka-wedge ako. Tapos, yung paa ko, nag-surrender siya. Ang sakit sa paa na naka-wedge kasi hindi ako sanay na naka-high heels or mag-wedge. So, I really don't have any choice but to buy a new pair of slippers. So, kasi from one place to another, I really have to walk from one place to another and then mahirap siyang maglakad. So anyway, I'm going to give you a short haul video. So, nung pumunta ako na Breeza, pumunta ako sa Japan Home, and then pumunta din ako sa Daiso, and then pumunta ako ng Chimes to buy the NYX lip cream. So I'm going to show you the things I got sa Japan Home muna. So actually, tomorrow is my niece's birthday. So I got her this one, this fantasy stick. Yeah, I bought this for her because it reminded me of the Sailor Moon cartoon. This one, and I'm not really sure how much it is. Nakalimutan ko. And then another thing I got there is this one. This is 66 pesos. Sabi dito Daiso, pero sa Japan Home ito. So I got this because I'm going to attend a wedding next week. So maybe I'll wear this falsies also. And then I only got this too dun sa Japan Home. And then after that, I went to Daiso and then I got this cute bag. It starts with letter N, or it's like letter N because yung name ng niece ko is Nona. So yeah, this is very cute for her. She's very kikai also. Yeah, so this one. So ito yung dalawang ireregalo ko sa kanya. I hope she will be happy with that. It's just a small thing anyway. And then after that, yung iba ko pang nabili sa Daiso is this one. It's a hairbrush. I actually bought a new hairbrush ng Paganini. However, this one is really, really nice. It's color blue. My favorite is color blue. And this is only for 88 pesos. Kasi naman lahat sa Daiso, it's around 88 pesos lang. And then, another one is this one. This makeup sponge. This is also for 88 pesos. I'm not really sure if it works well, but I just want to try this one. I don't really have makeup sponge, but yeah, yung mga sponges na nakita ko is quite expensive, so I just use my makeup brushes instead, or I just use my hand to put the cream on my face. So this one is 88, so I'll just try this one. And then another thing I got sa Daiso is this one, the glue, eyelash glue, kasi yeah, para pair naman. Ito silang dalawa, para pair. So this glue is also for 88 pesos. So it's still Daiso. And then after that, I went sa Chimes. Pumunta ako ng Chimes. So I got this. Wait. Oh, I got this one. This is a makeup sanitizer. This is from Nippon. This is a cosmetic sanitizer. This is 60 ml and for 100 pesos siya. So, meron akong nakita sa video ni Miss Anne Klutz. I forgot the name of the brand. But, yeah, it actually cost around 500 yung bigger size ng bottle, and the smaller size, I'm not really sure how much it is. So I was actually planning to buy that one, but I have to pay the shipping fee. So when I was walking around sa Chimes to look for the NYX lipstick, so I found this one also. So binili ko na lang kesa naman magbayad pa ako ng shipping fee. And then this is 100 pesos. And then the other one is, ano yun? Other one is this one. When I went to Gaisano Mall of Davao, ito yung nabili ko. Itong choker. So this is for only 40 pesos. It includes the ring, the bracelet, and the neck choker. Or like, how do you call that one? Choker. Yes, so 40 pesos. I just want to try this one para, you know, bagets ang style. And then after ko sa Gaisano Mall is pumunta ako ng SM para bumili ng regalo sa friend ko. So this is actually my gift for them. My friend, college friend. So pumunta ako ng SM after ko ng Gaisano Mall. Tapos ito yung regalo ko. Kasi may free gift wrapping, you know, kung madalang. Naku, malug-alug na. Yan. So peach yung theme nila. So ito din yung color na pinili ko for the gift wrapper. And then after that, next is this one, itong lavender scented tea lights or like small candles. Binili ko ito kasi gusto ko i-try, and I wanted to try this one kung mabango nga ba talaga siya. And then I wanted to put this one sa altar na may picture ni Papa. So yeah. So this is 49.75 cents. Lastly is itong NYX na soft matte lip cream. This is in the shade of Istanbul. Yeah, I was supposed to buy this Stockholm, and then out of stock siya. And then na-open ko na talaga siya. And I don't like the shade. It doesn't fit me. So, medyo mahal pa naman siya. It costs 390 pesos. Buti pa, iba na lang na ipis ang binili ko. So, anyway, I'm going to start my work. It's already 6:12. So, around 7, magti-teach na ako. So I'm now in front of my computer, so I'm going to have my lesson around 7 p.m. as I mentioned earlier. So I'm preparing, and I have to be online by 6:30 kasi meron kaming protocol na around 6:30 dapat naka-online na. So yeah, I'll start my lesson from 7 p.m. and then I'll be finished 11 p.m. So that day, actually until midnight ako, until 12. But now, recently, until 11 na lang para makarest din naman ng early. So anyway, I'm going to end this video. So I'm going to see you in the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm going to see you. Bye-bye!